Oh.
Hello?
Thank you for calling support. How may I help you?
Okay, so I was just
Hello?
on the internet. Hello? Hello?
Yes. Yes, how
Yeah,
can I help you?
I was just on the internet and I've got this pop-up on my browser. It's telling me I've got a Zeus virus.
Okay, when did that happen?
Just now, and it won't let me close it. It just froze my desktop.
Alright, can you read the message for me? What does the message say?
It says Microsoft Windows detected Zeus virus, and these infections indicate that some unauthorized file tampering has taken place on the computer. Please call technical support, and then this number is here. Oh, it also oh, they hung up.
Wow.
What the fuck?
I can't
Oh,
see your desktop.
really? Let me try again. Hello? What the fuck? What? Some of these scammers?
Just ring up, say Terry Mac and both of them are.
Hello? Wow.
Next time they answer, say Terry Mac and both of them are.
Alright.
Thank you for calling online support. How can I help you today?
Hey, I've got this weird pop-up on my computer.
Okay, what kind of pop-up?
It says that Windows has detected a Zeus virus. Call
Zeus
technical
virus.
support. Yeah.
Okay. And sir, do you have any error ticket? Can you confirm me the error ticket?
It is WBCKL457.
Okay, WBCKL457, is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, just give me a quick moment here. Let me go ahead and check the error ticket for you, okay?
Alright.
And when did it happen, sir?
Just about 5 minutes ago, I was just on Pornhub.com and it just popped up.
Okay, is this the first time that you're receiving this kind of message alert?
Yeah, this is the first time.
Okay. And you said you were on a Pornhub,
Yeah,
right?
Pornhub.com.
Okay, alright. Not to worry. Once I get to know the problem, I'll go ahead and help you out fix the issue, alright?
Alright, thanks.
Alright, so here, sir, according to the error ticket that you have provided me, it's a virus attack, okay? It's a network threat. The problem is coming from your network,
Oh,
okay?
okay.
The Zeus virus that you were talking about, Zeus virus is in fact a network worm, a network virus, okay? Which is very destructive and very sensitive. And even using this Zeus virus, people can even extract your personal files and data, okay? Your personal information.
Alright.
And can even infect the other devices which is connected to the same network, like the printer or any other device, like mobile phones or a computer. It can even corrupt the softwares of other devices as well, alright?
Alright.
So which protection are you using on the computer currently?
I don't know, I don't really use this computer much. I'm not really good with them.
Okay, so this is not your computer, you're saying?
Sorry, what was that?
This is not your computer, is that what you are saying?
No, it is my computer, I just don't use it that much.
Okay. So you don't have, you don't know which protection you are using, right?
No, I have no idea about that.
Alright, here let me do one thing. Let me guide you with a technical step so that we can go ahead and connect you to our Microsoft Secure Line. Once we are connected, we will go ahead and find out the root cause of the problem, from where you're is this kind of issue, or to get to know the problem, we'll rectify it accordingly, okay?
Alright
We'll
then.
take a look at your computer. Yep.
Okay, so what shall I do?
And yeah, here I'll provide you with the steps, so just give me a quick moment, okay? And here, before we proceed further, can you please provide me some of your basic information of your computer, like which Windows operating system are you using?
I think it's Windows 7.1 or whatever it was.
Thanks
for being on hold. My name is Mark William. Can you please tell me what problem do you have?
Yeah, I've got a pop-up on my desktop. It says I've got a Zeus virus.
Mm-hmm. And do you have ticket number on it?
Yeah, let's see. It says WBCKL457.
It's on your desktop, on your browser.
It's on my browser on my desktop.
Yes. And what browser you are using?
Internet Explorer.
Okay. And which Windows you are using, sir?
I believe it's a Windows 7.
Windows 7. And how old is your computer?
I think I've had it for about 4 years now.
Okay. And can you please tell me, like, exactly what you were doing when this particular problem occurred?
Well, I was on Pornhub.com. I was just looking through it, and then it just kind of like popped up on my screen, and it won't let me close it.
Mm-hmm. So, do you want me to investigate this matter? Because
Yeah.
if we
Yeah, I don't want a virus
Okay.
on my desktop.
Mhm. So, is this a personal computer or business computer, sir?
Yeah, it's my personal desktop.
It's a personal desktop.
Yeah.
And how many computers apart from this do you have on
I've
same
only
network?
I've only got the one desktop here, and I've got a laptop downstairs.
So, do you have a Wi-Fi or normal broadband connection through cable?
Yeah, I've got the Wi-Fi, and I've also got the Ethernet cable on the desktop.
So, the one desktop is connected through cable, not through Wi-Fi, right?
Yeah, and the other laptop is on the Wi-Fi.
And your personal laptop, that's on Wi-Fi. Okay. So, no problem. I will provide you a few technical steps which you need to follow so that we can get rid of this problem for you. Okay.
Alright.
In order to fix this problem, sir, first we should connect your screen to our secure server so that we can rectify the problem. Okay.
Alright.
So if you are comfortable with that, yeah. So you need to press on your keyboard. You need to look down on your keyboard on the bottom left-hand side. There's a control key, CTRL. Do you see that?
Oh yeah, I see that at the very extreme left.
Yeah, extreme left. And next to the control key on the right-hand side, there's a window for flag window key.
Yeah, I
Do you
see
know
the
that window
flag key.
key?
Yeah, do you want me to press that?
Yeah, flag key. Yeah, you need to press the window key and letter R together. R is Romeo together.
Alright, yeah. Okay, there's a rundy box that's popped up on the bottom left.
Yeah, so in the run box, you need to type H for Harry.
Okay, H.
Then another H for Harry.
Okay.
Then give a single space.
Mhm.
Now another H for Harry.
H. Okay, I've got H.
No, it's 2H, then space, then H. Right?
Oh yeah, H space H. That's what I've got. Sorry.
Yes. So just below there's OK. You need to click on OK.
Okay, and I've got a HTML help box open.
Mhm. So when you see HTML help, on the left of HTML help, there's a very small yellow color question mark. Do you see that? Yellow question is very small.
Yeah, I see that.
Left hand side of. Yeah, you need to click on that.
Okay. And I've got a drop down box about HTML.
What does it?
Jump to URL.
Yeah, click on jump to URL.
Alright. Okay, it's asking me for a URL to jump to.
Yeah, you need to type there www
www.
dot
Yeah.
fast support
Fast
FAST.
support, and then is that a .com?
Yes, it's in one word. Fast support FASTSUPPORT. Okay.
Alright, I got that. Okay, it loaded some page and it's asking for a support key.
Yeah, in the name first you need to type your name. Okay, first name only.
Alright, okay. Yeah, I've done that.
After that, in support key, I will generate a 9-digit secure ID for you. That is 757.
757.
282
282
298.
298.
And now click on continue.
Okay, and it's running something. Okay, so that's, do I want to join? I click yes.
Click on yes.
Okay, I've done that.
Click on all positive response, like yes.
Yeah, I've already clicked on yes. It just says there's the little thing in the bottom right that says go to assist. I can like chat and stuff.
Yes. Now click on yes.
Yeah, there is no option for yes. I already clicked yes.
Okay, wait.
Oh dear. This fucking. So, what's happening right now?
Yes, right now your screen has been connected to my secure connection.
Alright.
So give me a moment, and now
Okay.
can you please show me the message where it is?
Sorry, what was that?
Can you please show me the problem? Is this the problem?
Yeah, this is the
which you were
problem
talking
here. I can't close it. It won't go away.
So can you please tell me, like, exactly you were trying to open what website you were telling me?
It was I think it was Pornhub or something like that.
And how old are you, sir, if you don't mind?
I'm 19.
You are 19.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are calling from where?
I'm in England. I'm in West Yorkshire.
West Yorkshire.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a moment, okay? Let me find out where it's.
Alright.
It's working slow. It's keep freezing.
Yeah, that's one of the major problems of this computer. I don't know why it's been that slow.
And what antivirus are you? Do you have any antivirus apart from?
I don't think I do. I mean, I have this Malwarebytes here, but I don't know if it works. I don't know how to use it. Do I need to do something?
No, I'm doing it actually. It's not allowing. It's working very slow. So
Yeah, I know.
I have given the command, but it's responding very late. So you have a protection plan, right? There's
Sorry,
no
what was that?
antivirus is activated.
Yeah, I don't have an
And
antivirus.
do you have antivirus? Do you have network protection on your network?
I don't
But as
think
you
so.
said-
I never really bothered with that kind of stuff. So it windy over there or something?
Give me a moment.
Alright.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah, I have removed the problem temporarily, okay? But
Alright.
that is not a permanent solution, as because this network security you don't have, and apart from that, you don't have any antivirus protection. So the problem came through your network. So
Alright.
as of now, it's gone, but in future it might come up. So you might have to
then.
take your machine to your local technician, or if you want to give it a permanent solution, then there will be a charge that will be a one time.
A one time? Yeah, that's alright. How much would that be?
Yeah, that will be 79.99 GBP. Will be one time.
Oh, that's alright.
And if so you want to finish this problem one time, or you want to just get it, leave it.
Yeah, we'll fix it now, I guess. What the hell was that? Okay. Yeah, we can do it right now if you want. So how do you want to go about doing that then? What should I do? Like, how are you gonna fix it? Because now something else has popped up now.
No, I don't think it can be fixed to the network. Take this machine to your local technician, okay?
Why?
You need to take your machine to local technician, okay? It cannot be fixed online, okay?
But wait, it can be fixed. Come on, help me out here.
No, I don't think so.
Come on, help me out.
Yeah, you can do.
I'll pay. I just want it fixing now. If that's alright.
No, I don't think it can be fixed online, sir. For that, you need to take your machine to a local technician.
Oh, come on, of course it can be fixed, you mother chod. Anything can be fixed. Oh, wow.
What a banter. Phone him
that,
back.
that was so funny with the fan. Holy shit. Dude, that was brilliant.
I had to get, it was annoying, so I just started getting back.
Yeah.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Are you calling him again?
Yeah, shh.
So Terry Mac a boss tomorrow.
Alright. No, I don't think they're answering.
Thank you for calling support. This is Kelly. How can I help you?
Oh, hey Kelly, how's it going? I've just got this weird pop-up on my desktop here. I was wondering if you could help me out.
Can you please let me know?
I've got a pop-up here. It's telling me that I've got a Zeus virus.
Yes, can you please read out everything, whatever's there on the computer, so that I can understand you better?
Okay, 1 second. So it's coming up with Microsoft Windows detected Zeus virus, call technical support and share the error ticket WBCKL457 with the Bakrishod agent to get it diagnosed free of Rundy.
And how does it happen? What you are trying to do?
I was on a porn website, and it just kind of popped up, beeping at me. I can't get rid of it.
Okay. Let me tell you one thing here, sir. Zeus virus is a very harmful virus. This is a kind of a network worm, which can, allow other people to access your network. Okay?
Wait.
So that, they can steal...
Sorry, is it a virus or is it a worm? Because, those are kind of two different things.
Yes, this is a kind of a network worm.
Alright. So how do I get rid of it?
I will go ahead and, remove this Zeus virus. You can go ahead and fix up this problem, but there will be a one-time charge. It will be £100.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, that's fine. I can pay £100 for that.
Okay. Just give me one moment.
Alright. Okay. I'll ring him back one more time and I'll say the pop-up that says Teramaka boss of the Maru. This will be funny.
Same number.
Teramaka boss of the Maru, Madachot. Oh, they hung up. Come on, everyone say it, Lewis, come on. Hello? Oh, wow. I think they know the number by now. Lewis, are you there? Fuck.
Sorry, my mic was muted. Terimaka Borsada Maru Madachud, Ben Kalore Bosike, Rundi.
Teramaka boss and Maru.
Terimaki Chu.
Chew to your Rundi.
Markelore.
Backrishod.com. You know what? Let's just call some scammers and just go on an absolute Hindi swear rage on them. see how they reply. Okay, let me. Windows tech support. Past hour in the UK. Well, that's not going to work then. Not in the UK. Windows tech support. Okay, let's see. This one. I think we've already tried this one. Not exactly a very good video this today, but oh well. Try this one. What I kind of want to do is I'll say one thing, you say another thing, and then we'll keep going it. Oh, I can't call this number. Nice. So as soon as the answer, I'll say Teramaka boss and Amaru, then you'll say a swear, and then we'll just take it in turns.
Alright.
That was so funny. Okay. This one. I don't know why I said I couldn't call that number, that's weird. Oh, is that the same number? Oh, shit, that's the same number, isn't it? Wow, they've spammed this number all over the place. Jesus, it's listed on 4 pages on Google.
Really?
Jesus Christ. I thought there were different numbers, but apparently it's the same number. So, plus 1-800, that's a different one, yep. This is also a different one.
Thank you for calling tech support. This is Simon. How can I help you?
Hey, I've got this pop-up on my computer here. Won't make close it. Just wondering if you could help me out.
What pop-up?
It says, please do not restart your computer. Microsoft Windows detected a Teramaka boss and Maru Tutti Rundi virus.
Headshot. Markelore.
Yeah.
For your mother, right?
Sorry? Madachod?
What's that?
I think he said fuck your mother.
He has to say it really quickly and quietly so his supervisor doesn't hear.
Yeah, that's hilarious. Supervisor.
Thank you for calling. My name is Sandy. How can I help you?
Sandy, Ben Kelore.
Isn't Sandy a girl's name, you Madachod?
What?
I said, isn't Sandy a girl's name, you fucking Madachod?
How does it matter to you, sir?
Maru. Tutti Rundi.
Bosadike.
Backrishod. Hey sir. No. What's going on? Are you transferring me to your floor supervisor?
The floor rundy. Terry Maca, Bosa Amari. They probably put us on loudspeaker.
Yeah, let's have another swearing party in the office.
Yeah, let's go. Terry Maca, Bosa Amari Madachud, Ben Kelode, Bosa de Kerchutsia, Mark Elode.
Mark Elode, Rundy.
Mark Elode is brilliant.
I know, I like that. That's what I've said to me on Facebook. I said Mark Elode when I called him a Madachud.
Oh, God.
Hello? Hello? Are you there, you tutor? Oh. Hello? Oh, you run there, tutor. That is a good one. I love that. I want to get another one like the Mems Trojan video I made where it just fucking goes on for like 2 minutes. That would make me a lot of weaves. Come on, let's call them back. I want to get them to proper swear at me if we keep calling them.
Thank you for calling tech support. This is Stamina. Can I help you?
Hey, I've got a pop-up. It's telling me that you're a Madachod, I think. Is that right?
Alright, I think like that's for your mother, right, I guess, sir?
No, it says the scammer on the line is a fucking Madachod. Terramaka Boston Mari Tuti Runde Makelode.
Right, I think that's for your father and the mother and your sister as well, I guess. Okay?
Yeah.
And I think it should be a pop-up on a screen daily basis so that you can
Wait,
go ahead and work on your freaking ass.
Wait a minute, you sound really familiar. Oh my god, no!
Daily basis thing.
Yeah, I can see that your mom is fucking in the screen. Can you see that?
Oh yeah,
your mom is getting fucked in the screen.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. तुम मादा चो तुम्हारा बहन मादा चो बहन के लौड़े रंडे के पहले तेरी माँ चो दो.
No, that could have been the same scammer.
It definitely
Holy
was. He
shit.
said the exact same thing.
Holy shit, dude! If that was the same scammer, no way. I'm calling it. What was his name?
You should put a little flashback.
What was his name?
Simon.
Simon. Dude, that is brilliant.
बोल रहा है?
Hello?
कौन बोल रहा है?
Wait, is this?
What was it again?
Wait, was it? No.
That wasn't Simon.
No, I want to talk to him. No.
Ask for Simon.
Oh my god, this is gonna be beautiful if I can get him. It's like you getting Sid back. This is my favourite scammer. Come on, answer. You made the chods. Oh my god, my dog won't stop barking. You're not answering either. Try him again. No, it's not calling for some reason. Fuck. No, come on, I want him. Your mother's getting fucked in the screen. Oh yeah. Tomato chan, tomato chan. I'm going to fuck your sister.
On daily basis.
I'm going to fuck each and every one. I remember him doing that. It was like each and every one. Oh man.
It is rare to get a good one like that, but it is good when it happens.
I know, it's so good. Oh, it's not answering. Let me find a different number, hold on. I think I might have already tried this one. This number is unavailable. Holy shit, did they already disconnect the number?
That probably just means it's blocked.
Yeah, they could have blocked me. I could try... Wait, no, it's 1-800, I can't do that.
I can try and call back and see if it works.
Wait.
Your call is very important to us.
Whoa.
Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
That is very laggy. Jesus. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe for future videos. And make sure you go ahead to my friend Lewis's channel. He makes some really nice content there. It's pretty funny. I guarantee you'll enjoy it. So if you want to go ahead there, click the link in the description and subscribe to him. He's a very cool guy. You can also do one extra thing and join the Dixod server. The link will also be in the description. This is the Scammer Sub Lounge Dixod server, and it's basically just a place for all the scam baiters to chill, to talk, to post scammer numbers, etc. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it there. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.